Recently working on one of my projects, I decided to experiment and keep wooden planks on the wall, stripping paint and mastic or glue from them. I purchased few products in Lowe's. Here's how they work in comparison. So we're gonna be testing number 1 paint and varnish stripper from Klean Strip, number 2 premium paint and epoxy remover from Jasco, number 3 fast paint and varnish stripper from Quick Strip, and number 4 strip and gel CitriStrip. First test was on the glue or mastic or whatever this crap is called. You can see how I applied one by one these products on the wall. After 30 minutes I came back to test results using these small plastic putty knives. The camera doesn't have the best look, but as you can see on the video, the first product, paint and varnish stripper from Klean Strip, wasn't effective at all. The second product, premium paint and epoxy remover from Jasco, did pretty good job getting rid of mastic. The third product, fast paint and varnish stripper from Quick Strip, was also pretty good. And strip and gel from CitriStrip didn't get absorbed and stayed as a gel without removing anything from the wall. I heard good things about this product and I decided to retest it, giving more time to sit on the wall. I let it sit overnight, but it didn't help to have this product to be effective on mastic. So number 2 and number 3 products, which are premium paint and epoxy remover from Jasco and fast paint and varnish stripper from Quick Strip, were the best for stripping mastic from the wood. Next testing I did on the paint on the wooden planks on the wall. It's an old house with a lot of paint layers, but I wanted to get an idea what product will strip them the best. I put the products on the wall in the same sequence and let it sit for a little over an hour. Paint and varnish stripper from Klean Strip worked great, removing the top layer of paint. Number 2 product, premium paint and epoxy remover from Jasco, wasn't effective at all, as well as fast paint and varnish stripper from Quick Strip. I could hardly get anything off the wall. Strip and gel CitriStrip worked amazingly, smoothly removing top layer of paint. Because number 2 and number 3 products work so well on allegedly rough mastic and they are on a higher price and compared to other products that worked well, I decided to test them again, but not much changed. For instance, product number 1 was more superior. So to sum up, testing products on strip and paint and varnish stripper from Klean Strip and strip and gel CitriStrip were the most effective and highly recommended.